E-cleaning is an exciting category in the commercial cleaning industry. I think that the short-term benefits are pretty easy to see for IoT. When a dispenser needs to be refilled, we know to refill it. The long-term benefits are a little bit more of a challenge. There's a lot of data, and what do we do with all that data? Well, the trend that we got to see in the e-cleaning entries this year were that some of those are addressing exactly that. They're actually analyzing some of the data for us and even making some recommendations on next steps.
With ToolSense, I can digitize my whole fleet as a cleaning company. With ToolSense, it's possible to digitize every machine from every manufacturer and any brand. It's very easy to use. You just connect it to the machine, to the battery, and that's it. You get all the data, the machine data you need to control your operations and increase productivity. And it works very easy, very simple, and very price efficient. Why is ToolSense innovation? Two reasons. Firstly, technology. We use artificial intelligence directly on the ToolSense unit, so we can create small but smart data. That makes it very cost efficient. Secondly, it's a partnership innovation. So we create an open IoT standard for the cleaning industry. We work with 10+ manufacturers and distributors in the cleaning industry, with cleaning software providers. And so this way we can really leverage the whole ecosystem.
In essence, Tusky IntelliTrade Analytics is really based on customer insights. With this new analytics tool, it's not starting from interpretation, which is always interfered or done by humans. Interpretation is done, and from now on, every operation can really focus on implementing corrective actions. And this is what the operation should do.
We are trying to create value by analyzing data that comes from all global live machines, and trying to derive savings potential by having a look at how the machines are performing, by seeing which machines need to be optimized, and then giving these actionable suggestions to our customers.
Torque Digital Cleaning Plans is a unique solution for cleaning companies, big and small, who want to get rid of loose paperwork and start working in a more digitized way in order for them to be more successful with their clients. We have centralized the cleaner. And since nobody has really thought about making the cleaner the most important asset of their day-to-day business, we believe we have the most innovative solution. The added value is that you can interact immediately with your cleaners, and when something is changing over time, it's very easy to adapt your cleaning plans.